Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to download attachments from QuickBooks. So whenever you create a bill or invoices, you can attach any JPG, PDF or any kind of file here from attachments option. Okay. So as you can see, I have attached one JPG here, and if you want to download attachments from all the invoices, then how can you download? I'm going to explain this. So in settings option, you will get option of attachments. Once you click there, you will get list of all the invoices and bills which has attached file. So you have to select those invoices, and from batch action you have to click on export. So one zip file will be downloaded. Okay, it may take some time. Okay, so this one is my file, and currently there are only 2 attachments. So you will get a bifurcation in a proper way, like bill, check, then invoices. Okay, and you will get all the attachment files in one shot. Same way, you can select any file from here. You can sort files. Okay, sort files by type, name, size, uploaded date, links. Okay, same way from settings, you can add and remove any column. You can increase or decrease rows from here. Fine. And if you want to download one particular attachment, so there is option of download here. Okay, so in this way we can download all the attachments from QuickBooks Online. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.